Okay, Limited. Hi guys, me again. I thought I would do a video now to show you actually what I'm doing today. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the camera around so I can show you what I can see. Alright, so I've just started actually filming this in the last few seconds because actually I've just walked from Langdale over to it's a place called where we on Colwith or something at the moment. Basically, there's a place called Colwith Falls, which is a waterfall nearby. So that signpost says to Lohacker half and quarter mile. Over there, of summer, I think that is what's it? Some of those fells are going towards Ambleside, I think. Okay, so I've just walked up this road. So now I'm actually going to take the tablet with me because with the memory I've got on this video, it doesn't allow me to run the videos for ages, so I have to break them down a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to walk towards this Colwith Falls, and I don't know, actually how much tape I've got, but let's go down this path, shall we? So yeah, so basically, it's not really hot, so I could actually walk a bit quicker. And last time it took me 2 hours to walk here. But now I've actually been able to get here in 1 hour and 15 minutes, which was a bit better. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear that sound, because this is some of the waterfall. So I'm just going to walk down this really small looking path. So this is a really small path. It's a bit tricky to walk down it. Okay. Nice. So if you like, please write any comments down at the bottom, obviously under the video. That'll be really good. Okay, so don't want to really do the tablet to run out of video, but let's go down this path. My shoes are filling up with soil. Aha, right. So let's go down the path. Oh, ouch. Okay, can you hear that? To show you what I can see. So this is the sound of the waterfall. It's called Colwith Falls. So it's quite cool, really. Let's have a look what I can see. Alright. So this is quite good. So that's basically the waterfall. So up here, I don't know how you can get to that from over there exactly. I think there's like a back route somewhere, because Little Langdale is like just here, but I'm on a Rickle Hard Knock Pass, but it's more like just to show you where it is. It's not actually the Hard Knock Pass yet. This is quite an interesting path which goes nowhere. I think this is part of the river. Now this river actually goes all the way through Little Langdale, near where a place called Cathedral Cave is, so, well, it's quite nice. Yeah. It's actually quite steep terrain actually. It's a bit of a drop really. Look, these spiders, what is that? Oh my god. Okay. Right. Okay, tree will just walk down. Okay, it's quite a nice woodland. So yeah, so that's quite cool really. So just turn the camera around. So I'm actually now moving on from Langdale a couple of days to Langdale Hotel. So yeah, so I'm going to try again to share another video from Langdale, so that'll be quite nice. Because obviously I'm always leaving the lakes this year, so definitely just more to see, some more scrambling and everything, so yeah, I'll turn it around again so you can see a bit more. So that's where we stand in a minute. There's actually been a lot of work to do the last few days, so I haven't really filmed any videos. But yeah, so that's what's kind of happened. Yeah, I think you know, it's good when you actually have time to, you know, come out and actually do some shooting and stuff. So yeah, so anyway, this video is about cold water. So as you can tell, I'm just showing you a little bit of the area just while the tape's running, because I'm sure you don't want to see my face just yet. So cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to stay for a bit longer, but yeah, well, I'll say let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to let me know what you think of the video. Write me comments down below, and if you are new or haven't seen the channel much, like and subscribe. Alright, nice. And also give me some suggestions as well. So it'd be quite nice to listen today. So I'll see you very soon.